Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is a really quick review for the phone that I've got at our anniversary, which is the Oppo F9. And nasabi ko na nga sa last na video namin, which is the anniversary vlog, is I'm gonna show you the phone and this is what it looks like with the box, and I'm gonna show you that later. And if you want to know what this phone looks like, then please keep on watching. So first, the phone looks like this, and I've got in the color starry purple, which I've been eyeing for a long time. And this phone is 64 gigabyte in storage and 6 gigabyte RAM, which is really fast for me. And it has the AI beauty selfie, which is the 25 megapixel camera, and it has the 3500 mAh battery, and it comes with a VOOC charger, which I'm gonna show you later, and a dual rear camera, which has 16 megapixels and 2 megapixels camera for that bokeh effect, and it has 6.3 FHD plus water drop screen, which I'm gonna show you also later. So of course, it doesn't have seal na kasi chinek to ni Jim Joshua bago niya binili. That's why nung sa anniversary vlog namin is, I think fake siya. I mean, parang prank niya lang ako kasi nga wala siyang seal. Baka box lang to na kinuha niya somewhere. So, I don't know. Medyo naglag yung utak ko nun. But this is it. And, syempre, bubuksan natin siya. And it comes with this little box. I mean, it's a little bit bigger as what it thinks na sinabi kong little box. And when you open it, it does have the SIM ejector pin, which you will use to open the SIM card tray. And it has the manuals and a free jelly case. Actually, ginagamit ko na yung phone, guys. I just put it here at the box para at least feel natin yung pag-unboxing ng phone. And here, you will see the phone. And when you pull it like this, it is just starry purple, which is so nice. But set aside muna natin yung phone and let's see what's inside the box. So yung mga accessories, guys, is parang pinagtagpi ko lang nilagay dyan. So this is the VOOC charger, which is, it has a green, which is designed na VOOC charger siya. It's a little bit heavier than the normal na adapter ng charger. So this is the cord, and it has also the green sa may, what do you call this, USB port niya, which is signed also for being a VOOC charger. And the headsets, which Jim Joshua used it na, that's why hindi ko na siya nagawa ng paraan para ayusin. So, this is what it looks like. And let's dumako na sa phone. So, this is the phone looks like, and it has a really nice glittery purple, which like galaxy ang peg nila. And it has the sticker here, which is, you will see the NTC label there. So, as you can see, this notch is super small, which is, ito yung pinagkaiba ng F9 sa F7. So, it has a really small notch, which is they called water drop notch. And, yeah, lahat na as in nilagay nila sa iisang napakaliit na notch. So, first, I'm gonna show you the fingerprint scanner. So, which is in the back. At saka, ito ay sobrang bilis, guys. As in, tignan nyo ka. Ito yung finger ko, and I'm just gonna touch it. Diba? Mag-on agad siya. Ulit. Finger. See? Super bilis niya. Lalo na sa Face ID. Sa Face ID nito is hindi ako naka-glasses, but even though I'm wearing glasses right now, it can detect my face. Like, i-double tap mo lang siya, and it just still in the lock mode, and ihaharap ko lang yung face ko. Wait, fail. Medyo malayo kasi ako. So, ayan. O-on natin. See? Ulit. See? Super bilis. As in, talagang nade-detect niya yung face ko. Tapos, what I love here is, syempre, that rear camera. Kasi it has a dual camera which gives you the bokeh effect. And, yeah. Let's try na pagpalitin yung phone. Ito ang gagamitin kong pang film. So, guys, get ready and 1, 2, 3. So, ayan na nga guys, I'm using the Oppo F9 and kinonect ko na din yung microphone and I'm so glad that it's still compatible kasi 3 lines pa rin yung nasa earphones niya. And, ang clear niya guys, para siyang vlogging camera talaga and the color is more crisp. And the J7 Pro is here. And I think I love this new vlogging camera or phone because it's really nice. Hi. So yan guys, and if you're planning to buy Oppo F9, I think hindi na kayo magsisisi sa phone na ito because it is really nice. As in, hindi ko na ipagpapalit ng phone na to. I mean, as you can see naman sa quality ng camera. So, eto na malamang ang gagamitin ko pang vlog, or I mean, pang film ng mga videos ko. So, ayun. So, by the way guys, this video is 1080p siya. So, ganda-ganda, ganun. So, yan. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and see you on my next videos.